Cambrian consulting has been gaining attention in the market, but before you dive into buying, there are a few crucial things you need to know. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Cambrian consulting is the right choice for you and how it compares to other competitors in the market. First off, Cambrian consulting offers a highly streamlined solution that can save businesses significant time and money. Compared to other consulting services out there, Cambrian excels in providing customized solutions without the excessive cost often associated with top-tier consultancies. If you've ever felt like other services are too generic, Cambrian's approach feels more personal, and you can see the difference right from the start. Next thing to consider is the pricing model. While many consulting services charge hefty upfront fees or require long-term commitments, Cambrian offers a flexible, transparent pricing structure that lets you scale according to your needs. They understand that businesses, especially startups, need room to grow, and their approach is designed to align with your budget. It's a clear advantage over competitors who may lock you into contracts that don't fit your growth stage. The third thing you need to know is how user-friendly their platform is. If you've ever tried other consulting services that bombard you with complex systems and tools, you know how frustrating it can be. Cambrian's platform is intuitive, with easy navigation and access to critical information without a steep learning curve. You won't waste time figuring out how to use the tools. Everything is designed to make your workflow smoother. Moving on, Cambrian Consulting prides itself on offering tailored solutions that cater to a wide variety of industries. Whether you're in tech, healthcare, finance, or any other sector, their deep industry expertise means they can provide actionable insights that other generalist consultants might miss. This is a huge differentiator, as many competitors tend to offer one-size-fits-all solutions that don't dive deep into specific industry needs. Next, consider the customer support experience. Cambrian stands out in this area, offering prompt and effective support to help you at every stage of the process. Many consulting services can leave you hanging after the initial consultation, but Cambrian ensures that you're supported throughout your journey, whether that's in the early stages or during complex problem solving. The sixth thing to mention is their reputation in the industry. Cambrian Consulting has made a name for itself with positive reviews and case studies from businesses that have seen substantial improvements after working with them. While other firms may make big promises, Cambrian delivers tangible results that can be tracked and measured, which is exactly what sets them apart. Finally, you should know about their free trial offer. This is where Cambrian really stands out in comparison to the competition. You get a risk-free opportunity to try their services and see firsthand if they're the right fit for your business. Unlike other services that require a commitment before you even get started, Cambrian allows you to test the waters completely free. This is a huge win for anyone considering a new consulting partnership. If you're ready to try Cambrian Consulting, make sure to click the first link in the description to access their best free trial offer and get some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how Cambrian can make a difference for your business.